Right, what do we have here, cuz? What are we in? This is the VH Commodore 84. 84. What's the engine in there? Fucking. She's 308, 5 speed. 5 speed, of course. Fucking immaculate fucking interior. Sunroof model. Sounds fucking beautiful. Seats suck you in like you're in a nice lazy boy couch. Beast. What's the reason for choosing Holden? Always loved them.
Always loved them, mate. Yeah, for sure.
Can't beat a Holden. Quick lap around the Kumeu showgrounds on Sunday today. She's bloody empty field. So what's your plans for the future with this thing? Bigger engine, more power?
More power, always chasing the horsepower, right?
Yeah.
Plans are definitely needs to be something supercharged.
Yep. Yeah.
Take it to the next level.
Yeah, why not, eh? Make it even funner. Some lovely gauges and fucking. The old showgrounds are emptying out today.
VC, quite nice. Prefix is cool, eh? The front.
Yeah.
Got fucking flared out guards or something.
Nice little rims on it too. So what are your seats in this thing, cuz?
I don't know what these seats are, eh?
They're fucking comfortable
I've
though.
been able to find it out. I thought they looked like what I've seen, like similar to an early Porsche
Yep.
seat.
She's a weapon, alright. What's your suspension setup in it?
It's lowered on conies all round, or adjustable.
Yep. Well, you got a VL rear diff in it, don't you? Or
VL
something?
diff, yeah.
Diskies on the rear.
28 spline, LSD,
Yep.
VT brakes, booster.
All the goodies to make it stop when you're bloody hauling down the road at 1,000,000 miles an hour.
Should we go up Route 66?
Yeah, why not? The old show sheds, cuz he had the commie in the show sheds 1 year. Or 2 years, didn't
2
you?
years, yeah.
2 years.
I can tin after that one.
Show sheds there is where all the pristine cars get in. Like the little Honda motorbike too, that's cool. Kumeu Hot Rod Show, guys, this is where it's at, eh, cuz?
Fuck yeah, bro.
Every year, man. How many years now?
It's tradition.
Yeah, tradition.
Yeah.
Get down here and enjoy it.
31 years this year.
Hopefully another 30 more. This thing was out doing skids last night.
Is it?
Yeah.
The truck.
Yeah. Sponsored by Repco, the old Kumeu Hot Rod Show. Some kiddie rides and fucking everything. everything you need here, eh, cuz?
Yeah, bro. Always a good weekend, eh?
Yeah. Good fucking, yeah. Good swap meet area over there. You got fucking clothes and parts and fucking you can
fucking motorbikes.
Yeah, you can buy some beautiful choppers if you want. Fucking so this is our main stretch, eh? Route 66.
Yeah, Route 66, mate.
Got fucking insurance and t-shirts and clothes and everything. Good family weekend away. You got bouncy castles for the kids, and fucking you want to buy some road signs for the man cave. Food stands everywhere. You don't got to worry about food when you're in here.
Hanging right down here.
No chainsaw shows and stuff this year, eh?
Nah.
Usually put on a good bloody still chainsaw show over here with the big bloody hot saws and bloody whatever you call it, log chopping competitions and you wonder where all these cars hide away, eh? On Saturday when it gets loaded, you're like, fuck, where did all these come from?
Yeah. Well, they've been having, they have the gasoline and caffeine shows every month.
Oh yeah.
ASB showgrounds. That packs up like 2,000 cars every month.
Oh yeah. Start going to more shows. I was checking that out. That VO out yesterday. It's a nice factory turbo one.
Yeah. The guy that owns that fucking green GTS.
Oh yeah.
He might even own that Tirana.
Oh yeah.
He's also got a fucking VL LS turbo LS.
Oh nice.
It was in the shed the same year I had this in there.
Yeah.
But it was unfinished.
Oh yeah.
Just had all the.
Nice man.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, so usually on Saturday this whole fucking field is full. Everywhere's full. It's usually fucking loaded. But Sunday seems to quiet off a bit, especially with this weather. She's not looking too nice out there. I don't love the manual, eh?
Yeah.
She sounds fucking great. I don't know if you're allowed to swear on YouTube, but we do anyway. Our videos aren't made for kids, but hey, if you're supervising your kid, then that's fine, that's good.
The kids learn to swear here.
Yeah, we're an educational channel as well. The beast. So why'd you choose the red, Cuzzy? Just Holden?
Well, it's the factory colour.
Oh, yep.
And so it's kind of made into a SS replica.
Yep.
Only because I couldn't afford to buy a real one, I had to make one.
Yeah. These are the lovely seats I was talking about. They fucking suck you in. And I pop the hood. Sunroof model looks fucking awesome. On the Simmonses. Simmonses.
Yeah.
There's the heart of her. Got the gillies, of course. What carby and stuff you running on there? Big Holly?
Yeah, it's quick fuel.
quick fuel.
Yeah, 600. Basically a Holly. It's the branch of Holly.
Since she's been bloody, what, tear down full nut and bolt resto.
Yeah.
Got the lovely genuine headlight covers even. Ah. What about your fuel cell? Can you have a look at that? Removed the old bloody, the old stuff and put in the big lovely fuel tank in there. Got the spillage catcher.
Dog bowl.
Yeah.
It literally was a dog bowl.
That does well, eh?
Certification, eh?
Yeah. Oh well, we'll throw some bloody couple of photos in the video as well. Cheers, cuz. Cheers for the lap.
Yeah, mate. Sweet.